Hi, we are back with our new video about our team inbox feature in Eazybe, which you can monitor your team and also can manage your team. So you can see I have already logged into my WhatsApp and Eazybe extension is already installed in it. So where is our organization option? So on right side inside tools you will see this organization option. Just click on organization and your workspace will get open. So you can see all the details of your organization here. Also you can create teams from here, and also in employees you will see all the employees information here, right? So now what you have to do on left side you will see this is the team inbox feature. Just go to team inbox and then you are able to see all the chats of your team members here, right? So this is how it will look like. You just have to open a particular chat. Suppose for this person I can see all the chats. Also all the follow-ups made, tasks assigned, and all the notes will be available here. Also if any employee or any organization is using HubSpot or Zoho or any kind of integration, that will be visible here. If we want to see a particular employee chat, what we have to do, just go to all employee section, untick all. Suppose I want to see this person's chat. I will just select that person's name. Now I am able to see all the chat of my employee like this. And also in left side we have this dashboard option. So what happens in dashboard, I am able to see the performance of my employees, the total messages sent, total clients, they have reached their last activity on WhatsApp. The messages scheduled, quick reply sent, CRM integrated last chat sync, all the details of their messages. Also in analytics, what I'm able to see the total messages, send messages, received messages by my employees. It is also available in graphical form that how many messages they have seen. So we can compare the performance of our employees. Also inside integration we are able to see all the integrations we have done, and in account what happens is I am able to see the accounts and all the billing information here. So this is how it will look like. This is the workspace we are providing for the organizations to monitor their team as well as to manage their team. Thank you.